everyone, how you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about the iPhone 10 battery drain issue and how can we get the most out of our iPhone 10. iPhone 10 is one of my favorite devices and I have recently also made a video just plugging it because it is worth plugging in. You can go on my channel or link is below the like button. You can watch my Grid Studios video because trust me, it is one of my favorite videos that I've worked on. The disassembled iPhone 10. It is so cool. Anyways, getting back to the topic, battery drain on iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 is a really amazing device and a lot of people still use it, and I really love this device. But of course, as things age and iPhone 10, it has also started to show its age, that the battery life of iPhone 10, except for the battery life, everything seems to be pretty good on this device. The performance, I don't have a lot of complaint related to it, but the battery life is something which suffers a lot for iPhone 10. iPhone 10 users know what I'm talking about, and I know you are the one who is using iPhone 10 and watching this video. Let's talk about how you can fix the battery drain to a certain degree and get you almost 30 to 40 minutes of extra screen on time. This is tested and proven. I have done it. That's why I'm telling you that you should do these tricks and follow what all I'm saying in this video in order to get about 40 minutes of extra screen on time on your iPhone 10. That is a big time, 40 minutes. Alright, so the number one trick is a bit weird. You may think that it is weird, but yeah, it does help a lot. This is the only trick which helped a lot in this process. That's why I have it on number one, which is resetting your device. First of all, what you have to do is back up your device if you have some important stuff on your device, or some people use iPhone 10 as secondary device. That's why I'm saying if you have any important stuff. But still, regardless, I would say back up your iPhone and then reset your iPhone and try to restore only the data you want to use on your device. No unnecessary data should be restored to your device. Except for that, even just resetting your device will affect your device battery life a lot. After resetting my device, I noticed I did speed test. Yes, exactly. PS. I did a speed test every time I followed one of the tricks that I'm telling you guys. So this is tested and proven, right? Okay, so after following this trick, I got around 25 minutes of screen on time. You can just follow this trick and you will be good to go. And trust me, it may seem like resetting your device is a hard task, but trust me, it is not. If you got a Mac, bruh, it is even better. Mac and iPhone, you already know it. It is even better and you can just do it. It will barely take an hour. 1 hour is also a lot, what I'm saying. If you have a 64 or 128 GB iPhone 10, it will barely take an hour for you. It is amazing that how much more screen on time you get after just resetting your iPhone. What I think is the logic behind this is that when you reset your device, there is some background processes that are always going on your device, and when you reset your device, those tasks get killed and those tasks are not going in the background anymore. And of course, when the storage is getting empty, that already means that something is killed which was going in the background without removing any major part of your data. Still, the storage, you will get more storage after resetting your device. That of course means that the cage and all the stuff that was taking some power of your device will be removed. Next thing is using your device on low power mode all the time. Yes, you should not do it. Just turn on the low power mode when you are below 50. But I have seen some people using low power mode all the time. I don't know, but for some reason, if you use low power mode all the time, it affects the battery, but in a negative way. It drains it even more for some reason. I have no clue why, but it just drains the battery a bit more quickly when it is above 50 and the low power mode is still enabled. That's weird, I know, but it does happen. So yeah, you will get around 5 to 10 minutes of more screen on time following this trick. Regardless, if you are having bad battery life, 5 to 10 minutes means a lot too. Third trick is turning off the location of the apps you see that are using your location. Just go into settings and go into location services, and there you will see all your apps which are using your location. Set them to ask every time when I need to use location, or just turn them off completely if you don't use that app, or you think that that app is taking your location services and it is not required. For example, in my case, Instagram and Snapchat is something that I just use to watch reels and stuff and maybe talk to people. So that app does not really require to access my location every time I will open that app. And also Snapchat, it does not require I do not require Snapchat or Instagram to access my location every time I open those apps. And of course, I don't want any advertisement, Mark Zuckerberg. So you can turn the location services of these apps off, and I turned off the location services of around 8 to 9 apps, and I ended up getting about 10 minutes of extra screen on time. Then the final trick is turning off background app refresh. You guys already know about it. This is a really old trick and it works still. Turning off the background app refresh does help, and just a bonus little tip is that you can go into mail and then you can change the setting of fetching mail to 30 minutes or to 1 or 2 hours. I tend to use my mail a lot, so that's why I'm saying 30 minutes. But of course, if you don't use your mail a lot, just do it to 6 or 7 hours. So it will just not keep on checking for mails again and again. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did watch this video till the end and ended up liking it, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Comment down below what is your favorite tip and if it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Please subscribe to this channel. We are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Peace out.